times.
The new year has brought new changes to Clearwater's main library. It suddenly had to close its doors in September when it flooded.
And now, 4 months and $5 million later, it is back open tonight. 10 Tampa Bay's Shannon Clove shows you what's next.
Months later, and the library is back open. On the third floor here, you may still see some books in boxes as they're working to recover from that flood. But I've been talking with people today, and they tell me they don't care about that. They're just happy to have their library back.
We've been coming here for over 50 years.
Living right down the road, the Clearwater Main Library is a convenient spot for Corinne and Paul Arnold.
We were on vacation, so we came back and it wasn't open.
Yes.
And we're going, why?
Back on September 6th, a fire sprinkler pipe failed, causing the library to flood.
About 16,000 books were affected, so that's out of about 200,000 that are here in this location.
Library workers were able to salvage most of the books. They did that by freezing them.
They whisked away as many books as they possibly could right after it happened, and most of them they froze, which inhibits mold growth, and it also inhibits warping of pages.
As the library's assistant director, Linda Rothstein remembers right when the flood happened.
It was massive water coming through the ceiling.
Disaster teams worked around the clock to get the library back up and running, so it could look like this.
Relief, finally. Yeah.
Finally, yes.
Finally.
Yes, but
yeah.
we really enjoy the library.
Yeah,
we
we
come
really
down
do.
here quite a bit.
Just like the Arnolds, some families were going to other libraries in the meantime.
We just kind of kept with those until this one reopened.
Unfortunately for the kids, the library is still renovating their Discovery Center.
The most items were affected on the second floor, which is our children's section.
But their doors are back open.
Everything's getting back to normal, and we're hoping our patrons will be back in force.
From the looks of it today, people are ready to read.
We're just so glad it's open.
If you're looking for a particular book and you don't see it, just give the librarian some time. They are still sorting through some books and getting them back on the shelves, but they say in no time they hope to be back to normal. I'm in Clearwater. Shannon Clow, 10 Tampa Bay.
We did ask about the $5 million to cover the cost. The city says it worked with risk management and insurance to get the job done.